Project Playlist, which is at playlist.com, started as basically, it's really simple. It's a search engine for music and a playlist. And the company is now at 34 million registered users. So we're sort of the big baby that a lot of people would wish would go away, I think, in some ways. But on the other hand, we're helping a lot of fans find music. And more importantly, they're using the service to express themselves on their MySpace pages. Most of the 34 million users that we have are actually the result of MySpace. So people go to a MySpace page, they see someone else's playlist, and then they want to get it, they come to our site and sign up. I won't take you through sign up because it's relatively simple. We have a very lean registration path, username, email address, and you're building a playlist. Our revenue team has some reservations about that because of what it means for advertising, but it's allowed us to get to 34 million users. One of our initiatives has been to get beyond MySpace. So what I want to show you guys today is our Facebook application, which we had rolled a Facebook application out before that sort of got some limited use from people. We've since beefed it up a little bit, given people some more options in terms of how they can look at their playlists, share their playlists, and search for music. So I'll go to my page, my profile, where I have my playlist listed there, which can play. And the player pops out so that you can listen to it while you're doing other things. It may want to play, it may not want to play. It's not my fault. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and show you guys the settings for it. So, okay, there we go. So this is the actual application itself that allows you to choose a playlist that you want to show on your Facebook page. It also allows you to see playlists that your other friends have created who are also using playlists on Facebook. So I'll go to my good friend Errol Colasign, who used to run Asherworks Records. I can see the playlist that Errol's created and then listen to it. The other thing that you can do from the application is you can search for songs directly. And you can listen to them from the page, which is a change that we were able to make that makes the whole application a little more streamlined and easier for people to get to what they want to listen to. So after you've conducted a search and you've got your search results, you can then actually listen to any song in line from that view, or you can choose to add it to a playlist, and then you get to choose which playlist you want to add it to, and it goes in the bottom of that track. Eventually with this application, you'll be able to readjust the order of playlists, you'll be able to look at your friends' playlists and adopt them. Basically, if your friend has a great playlist, you'll be able to grab that playlist and put it on your profile. But we're keeping up with our growth, so, or at least trying to. So it takes us some time to develop these things. And one of the things that I think is really important about playlists is that it's very easy to use. Most people can come on the site, build a playlist, and be ready to go and post it on their MySpace page or Facebook or any blog within minutes of using it. And it's a challenge to keep it that way. But I think that is really important in terms of people being able to access it, having a simple UI that people can relate to without having to go through a lot of hoops. And the initial release of the Facebook app was a little bit more complicated. I feel like we've simplified it now and made it easier for people. So going back just a little bit, so if you've added some songs to your playlist, or you've chosen which playlist you want to show on your Facebook page, then you can go to your settings page. You can choose any of your playlists that you've already created. I'm going to choose my Halloween playlist because I'm going to have what I hope will be a hot Halloween party when I go back to Seattle. And I can choose the color that I want that playlist to show up as. Eventually we're going to have different skins for that as well, customizable skins. You can upload your own JPEGs and create your own skin for the player. When I save changes, then that player will appear on my Facebook profile. So it's a relatively simple application. I really wanted to show this today because we're making an attempt to grow beyond MySpace. And with 34 million just from like million users from MySpace, it's pretty evident that if we keep true to what we set out to do, and if we provide tools that are really simple and easy for people to use, that they'll adopt them and we can become an even bigger baby.
All right.
Thank you.